Yeah guys, this evening I go cook some brown stew chicken foot. You see what I go on in my base? Yeah, them tar out, so I go do. I go cut off them nail where you see. And I gonna see what I go on in my kitchen. You understand all these, so guys? Brown stew chicken foot this evening. I don't know what I go eat with it yet, but I have a small pack of bread. So you don't know where badness go. Guys, watch what go on in the kitchen. You don't know. When you come in a Nicholas kitchen, I be a badness, not true? So watch what go on in the kitchen this evening. Brown stew, chicken foot. Guys, I be a badness. Watch what go on. Soon come back. Yeah, people. Yeah, so I done clean up my chicken foot. So I'm gonna do. I will light up my stove and I'm going to see what go on in the kitchen. You understand how they look for my chicken food. So I'm clean and pretty. Yeah guys, so I'm going to light up my stove now and I'm going to see what go on in the kitchen. I be a badness. You understand how I did some brown stew chicken foot. Yeah, with pumpkin, Irish and carrot. Guys, that one I got bad, remember me tell you. Watch what go on in the kitchen. I'm going to light up my stove now. And remember, brown stew. You understand how this? So watch what I'm going to do. I'm going to use a big pot. People, you don't know when you come in a Nicholas kitchen and be a badness. You understand how this? Yeah. Be a badness. So you don't know things set up already. Alright guys, so now I don't know. In the meantime, the pot go on hot, I don't put no oil, take a bit of water in it. Don't know where thing go. I go on, peel up some pumpkin and Irish. I understand now I did and cut up some carrot at the same time. So guys, watch what go on in the kitchen. You soon come back. Be a badness. As I tell you, I be a badness always in my kitchen. You understand how I did. So guys, watch what go on, soon come back. Yeah guys, so now I put in some oil in my pot. Yeah. So that is my oil. And remember, I'm not gonna use any browning. I'm gonna use a little sugar. Watch what I'm gonna do. Tell them I'm coming to my kitchen and be a badness. You understand how these? Yeah. I'm gonna put a little sugar. Not too much. This amount good. You understand how these? I go and make that burn. Put a little bit more. Just a little bit more. Make that go and burn and see what I'm going guys. Guys, I'll be a badness. I understand how to do it. So guys, I'm gonna peel up some pumpkin and Irish and I'm gonna see what I'm going. You understand how to soon come back. Yeah guys, so the sugar burn. You see that? So guys, what I'm gonna do now, I'm going to put in the chicken foot, make it go on brown, and go and cut up the Irish and I don't know about this though. Yeah guys, so I'm going to put in the chicken foot now. Guys, so I go and then I cut over that then go to them. Guys, now making go on brown, soon come back. I'll be a badness now go and cut up my Irish. See me two Irish, they're big. And see me carrots, yeah. And the pumpkin. I'm not gonna use all of the pumpkin. I'm gonna use a piece of the pumpkin, guys. Let me see what I'm going. Be about this, we soon come back. Yeah guys, so I'm going in the pot now. Yeah. So I'm going to put a little water. Put some water and I can go and cook. And peel up my Irish. We don't cut up the carrot and the pumpkin. So I'm going to peel up the Irish now and I'm going to swab on. You understand how I did there? Guys, you know me don't cook with a lot of bag season. You don't know me set my thing already. You understand how I did? Guys, just watch the badness here. Be a badness in our kitchen, we tell you now. Yeah, people. So, the pumpkin, the Irish and the carrot. You understand how I did? So, the chicken foot I go and cook. You don't know about this, but be a badness in our kitchen, guys. That one have a wicked, remember me tell you. So, guys, watch how I go on in our kitchen. Soon come back. Yeah guys, so I'm going to put some chicken season. I'll put in my carrot and the pumpkin and the Irish. Be a badness guys, be a badness. Watch how I go on in my kitchen. Oh shit. Guys, so I'm going in the pot. Guys, you know I don't cook with one a bag season, so I don't know anything but. If I use chicken season, I like hard purpose today. You understand how the maybe this no so. So guys, you know what I'm going to do now? I'm going to put in the chicken, the pumpkin, and the Irish and carrot. See that now? Yeah. Be a badness, guys. Be a badness. Guys, what I'm going to do now, I'm going to just cut up the ground season and I'm going to swab on in the kitchen. You understand how I did, yeah? So you don't know about this. Yeah, guys, so what I'm going to do now, I'm going to cut up some ground season. You understand how I did, yeah? So watch what I go on in the kitchen, guys. And so I go on in the pot over here. So. Yeah guys, that be a badness over here, so you understand how the brown stew chicken foot. So guys, I'm going to cut up some brown season and I'm going to swab one. You understand how the, yeah, make this one cook. I'm going to put the salt up next to this and swab one feet and salt. Because you don't know chicken season, carry a lot of salt. One little salt celery. This amount of salt too. If you want more salt, we will put it. You understand now the idea? Guys, I don't know about this, you know, I'm going to cut up some season now and let this one cook, you understand now the Big up with the oven, can't tell me what to do, you don't know hungry pain. No, yeah, say my brother, Watch out, no tell me nothing about me dog them. Real G of them alone know me problem. Them I know them. Quick to tell the world. Yeah, people, you don't know about this going on in the kitchen already. Yeah. So guys, this is going to go down, beat around 5 more minutes, make him go down. Now see what go on, you understand all these? Yeah. Guys, when you don't know Nicholas' kitchen go already, you know, when you come in my kitchen, I be a badness, be a nice food. You understand all these? So guys, stay tuned for the finishing look on my brown stew chicken foot with my Irish carrot and pumpkin. Guys, I soon come back. Guys, watch what I'm going over here, so. Guys, you see that? Yo, John was star. Remember me tell you that. Guys, be a bad things. Be a badness. Guys, that's it. You see that? The gravy just want to go down a little bit more. Because you don't know we don't cook long water. Because we don't want. Guys, we can't cook the long water, believe me. Be a badness, that's it. Chicken foot. Oh my god. Guys, stay tuned for the finishing look. We'll soon come back. Guys, watch all gone. Say my brother then rain. Take this as a hope to your man. Big up to the when brother them no body turn on the rock. Can't tell me what to do you know no hungry feel. Guys, this is all going in our pot, guys. Yeah, brown stew chicken foot, guys. Guys, right now I'm going to take off and dish out some and make it so all go on. You understand what I did? Yeah, I'll be a badness, guys. You don't know Nicholas' kitchen set up already, you know. Yeah, people, watch what go on the table. See that? My brown stew chicken foot and bread. Look what I go on in my plate, guys. Yeah, you don't know about this, guys. Be a badness, guys. See you in our next video. I'm out.